Hello, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to compute the net present value on Microsoft Excel, as well as give you an explanation of what it is and how it's used in the real world. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Financial models, like net present value, should be used alongside other metrics when evaluating investments. So what is a net present value? Net present value, NPV, calculates the current value of all future cash flows, both positive and negative, generated by a project or investment, minus the initial cost. It is used in decision-making to determine if a project will add value. A positive NPV indicates a worthwhile investment, while a negative NPV value might be an indication that the project will not result in a net return. In order to calculate the net present value, we will first need to find the total cash flow of each period's or each year. Year zero will simply be the cost of the initial investment. Make sure this amount is entered as a negative number. You can simply use the equals sum formula to add up the total revenue and costs of each year and copy it down for each period to get your total cash flows from each year. Next, you will use the equals NPV function, in which it will ask you for the rate and the values. You will use the given rate for the rate and the cash flow of each year's. You will want to add the initial cost outside of this function, so don't include it in the NPV function. You will notice that the value resulted in a positive number, meaning it is worth the investment. And that is how the net present value function works on Microsoft Excel. If you found the video useful, consider giving this video a like. If you're interested in more Excel tutorials, check out my other tutorial on how to use the internal rate of return function on Excel, as well as explaining its uses in finances. The link to the video will be in the description down below.